Hi, Fat Gus.
Yep.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Pardon?
Oh no, your headphones.
So
Yeah, let's just take it.
let's get right into it while we're on it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, perfect. I wanted to kind of break down this, which we will do after we what?
Okay. Which we'll do.
Oh,
Which
okay.
we will do after what?
Which we will do after we finish going through the entirety of this construction, of the essay construction.
Okay.
We have the hook, as you know. We have the beginning, so to speak, or when you use these words, these linking words in your organization, this helps you, right? But it also helps the reader. Why? It's very logical, right? If you read firstly, you know it's the beginning of something, right?
Uh-huh.
And if you read lastly, it will be what?
It will be like, it'll be like what? I guess.
Well, if the firstly is the beginning, lastly is what?
Lastly is like, lastly is that's the last thing I want to say, and then, to the, council, or like, not the council, but the conclusion, yeah.
The conclusion, very well. So we don't put it at the beginning, we put it where?
We put it at the end. Right.
Yes, we do. So these linking words, they help you with your organization of the essay. They are really, I love this, they wrote it beautifully, whoever made this. These are logic markers. They guide the reader, but they guide you as the writer.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes. When we have this suggests. This is beautifully placed, and I will tell you why.
Okay, why?
When you have this suggests, that means something comes before this suggests, and something comes after.
Okay.
Yes. Let's give a nice example with our fellow squirrels. We can write.
Okay. Living AI. Interesting. Augustine and Fat were fighting the whole day. They were debating who should get the Hermione toy. I mean, both of them are kind of like her.
I know.
Bad Gus gave Augustine some nuts. And Augustine decided to give the toy Hermione to Fat Gus. This suggests that Augustine likes food more than the toy. I mean, I guess so, because usually Fat Gus is like the one that's, give me the Hermione, you cannot take it. So, yeah, that's fair.
I know, but Fat Gus really likes Hermione toy, doesn't she?
Yeah.
So what do you see here, I used this suggests. I used this to tell you what the text means.
Oh.
I use this suggests to break down in one sentence the explanation, basically, of what we read or wrote beforehand.
Oh.
You should use this when you write at the end of your paragraph.
Okay.
Why? Because everything that you were writing that's important, all the information should come before this. So everything should be here. And at the end, you will use this suggests and just break down into simple parts like you did here. This suggests that Augustine likes food more than the toy. Is that the point of this text? Is that what the text is saying?
Yep.
Okay. Could you maybe guide me through your example like this, just like I did?
Oh, okay. Let me think.
Okay.
Let's say Fat Gus and Marty both want to hack my dad's computer since my dad did not give them walnuts yesterday. But they were fighting and they will not stop. Fat Gus and Marty debated for a long time. Finally, Fat Gus gave Marty a lot of chips. Oh, I don't mean like chips. I don't mean the food. I mean the thing that can be put on like a computer or something, like to hack their system and like change their memory. Oh, and by the way, here's a secret that I want you to know. My digital watch can actually have a chip. Like, I can literally take the chip away and put it in another digital watch, and then it would be like, oh, welcome, Melody. I saw that you put your chip into my system. Which, yeah, it's kind of like, wow, but, yeah, whatever. It's kind of normal. And Marty thought it would be hilarious to hack my digital watch. So he accepted the deal and let Fat Gus hack the computer instead. This suggests that Marty wants to mess with my digital watch more than getting revenge with my dad's computer.
Okay. That was a very nice example, to be honest. A long one, but a productive one. Nice. Finally, I think we're done with logic markers here. And reader guidance, we can move on. This is also the part of the blueprint of the essay, or the model essay that we have here. Of course, like the first one, I would like you to read this too.
Oh, just a moment.
Okay.
However, biology is not destiny. Geneticist Daniel Reed argues that DNA is written in pen. Our environment is written in factors such as education and social circles can edit our behavior and intelligence. Wow, you can. Oh, yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. A lot and very much. Yeah, that's what I mean. Adding nuance genes alone cannot explain. In my view, human development is a collaboration. Dang, these are better than mine. Our can
set.
be. May set the boundaries of who we can be. But our choices and environment write the final story. Therefore, while nature provides the canvas, nurture paints the picture. Score, band 5, full marks. Approximately 180 words. Wow, that is way more
Well,
than
would you
mine.
look at that? Pardon?
I said, wow, that is way more than mine.
Well, that is fine. You will write your essay when we finish learning this, when you have all the instructions and when you are familiar with our keywords now. I want you to pay attention to the first one here, to the first paragraph. You noticed that it starts with this word.
Okay. However.
It starts with however, yes. When we say however, we want to say that even though we said something here, that is not necessarily the case or the whole truth. So we use however to say the rest of the story. So we mentioned that genes are great and genes are very important and they decide a lot over here. Look.
Mm-hmm.
But now we want to say that that's not everything, so we use the word
Okay. However.
however. Exactly. So now you want to say something to oppose this statement, something that's the opposite to this. And you say that biology is not destiny. Do you believe in destiny?
Well,
For example, do you believe that some things are destined for us? Like they are predetermined or written somewhere and waiting to happen?
not. Well, I have one destiny, and that is my school. So I will have like 100 points, which is all the points, when we are like having the test before summer, like the summer test or something. When I will get 100 points. But I'm not sure about math or Chinese. I'm just pretty confident about English since it's like so easy. Like I'm already learning about prefix and stuff, and at school we're learning about how to spell cat in exercise books. So I actually get 100 all the time. So I'm confident that I will get 100 this time too.
Okay. I'm pretty confident you will ace your tests. You will be the best, I mean. Your knowledge is so advanced and it's so far removed from your peers that I get it. It can be a little boring to sit in the class and listen to things you've known for years now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it never happened to me. I was never so advanced in my knowledge. So congratulations on everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. As I said, we started this with however, very important.
Mm-hmm.
We have some keywords here as a part of key vocabulary. Remember the word nuance.
Yeah.
Adding nuance to something means adding what to something?
Adding nuance to something means adding details, right?
Very good. For example, if I were to draw an eye like this.
What?
Wait.
Eye. Oh, that eye.
How would you add nuance to this eye?
I think I will add some colors. Like maybe this
Very
guy's like
good.
a Chinese people, so like yellow, 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 and Chinese people have very, very, very ultra super super duper 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 ultra brown eyes. So wait just a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah, okay, let's
Oh, I
just
have brown
go.
eyes as well.
Wow, that's impressive. Just my eyes are
Yeah.
so-called Chinese people eyes are so-called black only because they look black, but under the bright light they look brown and black in the middle. Yep,
Yes.
like that. And white all around it, which I will not add because I think that
Yeah,
might
you
be
don't
too
have to.
much. Yeah, and by the way,
Okay.
just to remind you, I'm not really good at this because I draw cartoon stuff, not real stuff, which this is a realistic eye, not like an eye like this.
I know,
So,
but
yeah.
I just wanted to see if you were able to understand the concept of nuance, and you did.
Yay.
Yay. Okay. We kind of used some sort of metaphors. We know what metaphor is, and this says our environment is written in factors such as education. Can our environment literally be written?
Oh, no, that's just like a metaphor. What? No, like, no.
Exactly.
Yeah, kinda.
Yes, that is a metaphor.
Or a simile metaphor. Simile-ish metaphor. Okay, it's just a metaphor.
A little bit. It's just a metaphor this time, but I can see your point on simile. Yes. Very important that you know what a metaphor is, because if you don't use metaphors in your essay, it loses the heaviness, you know?
Yeah.
It's not as complex as it initially was. Do you agree with that?
I 100% agree with that. By the way, this is band 4, and then you plus another 5 at the other part equals 9. Boom, you get more.
Wow, that's very smart of you. Okay.
Thank you.
Look at, you're very welcome. I'm just being honest. Let me see what follows. Very well. Can you read this part too, please?
Okay, in my view, human development is a collaboration. Our genes may set the boundaries of who we can be, but our choices and environment write the final story. Therefore, while nature provides the canvas, nurture paints the picture. And the scroll thing?
Okay, now that you read it for the second time, tell me, have you changed your stance about genes and environment? Do you think that that is a collaboration?
Like, oh yeah, I actually think so. Because I said both has greater influence, which I actually, in my, my text, which actually is like this. So, I think both have a greater influence because both have great influences because they both help. Like your genes, like maybe your genes customize like what you look like and your IQ stuff, and just a lot of thing about your features, and which is the foundation, and the environment shapes you. Like, and it's like, interesting. This guy looks perfect for a metal band. Okay, then, here you go. And then they drop a lot of... And then, so, basically that guy just hangs out with a lot of people in the heavy band. And then he is very happy in the heavy band, and he's cool. And only girls that like have some love about rock and roll would be like, wow, this guy's so handsome.
Very well put. I wouldn't have said it better myself.
Oh. Okay,
So now
thank
that
you.
we know that I know your stance. I've known it for quite a while now, and I love it. This is,
Okay.
we have, as you know, we have boundaries around this. I don't know whether this is done on purpose or not, but this is outlined so that it has a boundary. It's perfect.
Okay.
Can you find the metaphor in this passage?
Okay, I'm just gonna do this real quick. So, environment
Okay, very good.
writes the final story. And
There's more.
not done yet.
Good.
Oh wait, how do you? Oh, like that. Jeans. Jeans sets the boundaries of who he can be, or he can just delete this. Just the point is setting the boundaries. Blah blah blah.
Okay.
And okay, nature. Okay, I'm just gonna done highlighting these. Nature.
Perfect.
Nurture provides the canvas, paints the picture, which, I mean, nurturing nature would be like
Yeah.
something like Gemini, like they're twins or something, because they like look so like nature, nurture, like you can just literally say
Yes.
nurture and nurture.
Exactly. Very well. So you remember how in the first paragraph, you kind of asked a question. You had two opposing views.
Yep.
So here we needed the hook, so we needed to ask a question. We used while to have two opposing views. One and two.
Okay.
Genetics and environment, correct?
Yep.
In the very end, what do we need to do? We need to synthesize our ideas. Remember, never repeat yourself. You shouldn't repeat your sentences. Unless you're quoting someone else, never repeat your sentences. Many students and many people, when writing, they get easily confused. And they're like, you know what? I'm just going to write a couple of sentences in my conclusion from what I've been writing in the body of the text. That's wrong. Don't do that. Synthesize your ideas and make them work together like this. They are collaboration. There are boundaries. There are clear outlines. Pardon?
Okay, I was just, yeah, it's okay. You can, keep going.
No, that's all I had to say for today. Maybe at the end of the day, Augustine and Fat Gus are both happy with their choices. Fat Gus is happy with Hermione, and Augustine is happy with her nuts.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you agree. That would be all for today. In the next class, we will finish this. We have not a lot, actually, just the finishing pages. The hardest part here is actually done. So, well done.
Okay, then. Oh, and by the way,
Yes?
before this class, Faka said something about she wants to write something. She wants to write or say something after after class, and I think she meant like both, because usually when she says, I want to eat cereal, and I can also eat nuts, she just literally hogs both of them, so yeah.
Okay, I get that. I'll wait.
That's supposed to be want, I'm guessing.
Yes, I think so too. Oh, she wants nuts.
Oh, sorry. I think she accidentally hit
It's
it.
okay.
And
Okay.
there you go. She just doesn't really want Hermione now, which,
Yeah, I get it.
I mean, practically it
Well,
is kind of weird. And I think she also has something to say.
okay.
See you. Okay, she said see you, and see you.
I heard that.
See you.
See you. Bye.